Alright, so here with RT, you know, ewan ko, may bagong ginagawa na naman to si RT. Nag-shift na naman siya from being a solar technician to ngayon, globe technician na siya ngayon. Globe technician. Anyways, I just wanted to point out something. A new lesson learned, something that needs to be considered when you're starting a solar energy business. There are three things that you have to consider. Three major things you have to consider. When it comes to the skill, the technicalities, there's three disciplines that ang nagparang sumasayaw together sa isang solar business. Number one is yung electrical engineer. Kailangan meron kang nakakaalam sa high voltage electrical engineering. Breakers, wire sizes, blah 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 blah. Electrical engineering. Number two is kailangan meron kang ECE because solar is electronic equipment na siya. So when you're dealing with electronic equipments, kailangan meron kang person na nakakaintindi ng electronics. So yung mga components niyan sa loob, mga MOSFETs, capacitors, yung mga fuses, yung mga different types. And number three, kailangan mo ng IT. So IT is very important because number one, yung electronic equipment mo also has a computer equipment inside of it. Nagko-communicate yan through RS485, ano pa ba? CAN. It communicates in different communication protocols. Kailangan mo ng computer to configure that. So, kailangan ng IT. Magiging lucky ka if you get a person who's very familiar with all three disciplines. So, very important yon. Don't forget. And stay subscribed. Like and subscribe. Ayun.
To another short with Victor Asuncion. Si RT ang sipag, nag-RJ45 crimping.